Hello there, welcome to Vietsound channel. Today we're going to pronounce the y sound. So are ready? Let's get started. You can see the y sound in words like kiến, yêu, đĩa, khuya, and it is written by the letters e, a, or e, a. The y sound is the combination of the e sound and the a sound. So to pronounce it, you're gonna start by placing the tip of your tongue right behind the upper teeth, and the body of the tongue touches the hard palate. Then smoothly release your tongue down to make the sound. And the last thing you have to remember is that the e sound is a high vowel, and the a sound is a throaty sound, so you have to make the sound as if uttered deep in the throat. Now let's talk about the mouth shape. Just open the mouth partially like you are making a smile, and try to say the sound like yeah, yeah, yeah. Now let's practice saying some words with the y sound. I'm gonna say the word first, then you'll have a few seconds to copy exactly how I pronounce the word. The first word is miến, điện, tiền, kiện, chiến, điểm, kiếm, chiếu, thiếu, nghiệp, yếu, yến, yếm, luyện, chuyên, khuyên, quyền, bia, bìa, kia, dĩa, thìa, mía, khuya, tiền điện, tiên tiến, tiền tuyến, lia lịa, luyên thuyên. Now let's try to say some sentences with many of the y sound. We're gonna do it in 3 steps. On the first step, I'm gonna say the sentence very, very slowly. Then I'm gonna do it a little bit faster. And on the last step, I'm gonna say the sentence with normal speed. Chiến, tiết, kiệm, tiền, để, mua, bia. Now a little bit faster. Chiến, tiết kiệm, tiền, để, mua bia. Now with normal speed. Chiến tiết kiệm tiền để mua bia. Hiên, khuyên, huyền, tiết, kiệm, điện. Now a little bit faster. Hiên, khuyên, huyền, tiết, kiệm, điện. Now with normal speed. Hiên, khuyên, huyền, tiết kiệm điện. Okay, you've done very well. If you want to bring a smile into my face, you can support me by the link in the description. Thank you for watching.